This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're now at Nio Service Center here in Ensjø, Oslo. And today is like a special day for me because it's like I take delivery of Nio. So let me explain. I mean, I've been working with lots of cars, right? Borrow cars, press cars, and I don't know how many cars I've sold over the years. Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, PSA cars, maybe Stellantis cars, and also Nio. So I met actually today many people who said, "Oh, Bjørn, I watch your videos. I bought a Nio because of you." So we're gonna go one step further because, okay, the background actually for this is that I only borrow press cars, and when I just happen to have a press car, I use that press car also to run errands. Might as well, it's practical, right? Go to the kindergarten, from time to time I go with a shopping mall, or as you guys have seen in the past, we take some family trip to Lilleputthammer with whatever press car I have. But it's not always practical because sometimes I get a small car, like a Citroën EC3, you know, or a Hyundai Inster, and since we have two small kids, I need at least a medium-sized car, Model Y or something bigger for more practical use. So this is the background, and I always wanted to try to have like a daily driver. And then I came to Nio and I asked them, hey, how about I try to borrow a car for longer? Because normally when I borrow a car, a press car for 1 week, it's like bam, bam, bam. I need to do 1,000 kilometer challenge, maybe charging test, range test, maybe a Sunday drive, and then in between I also need to spend some time with the family or run some errands, and that means there is no space left, no time left for me to test that press car extensively. It wasn't like when I had Tesla many years ago. Back then we didn't have that many EVs out there, and then I had more time to spend with the Tesla and find out more about how this. So that was also the background that I want to go deeper with Nio and test the app, there was actually, I heard today, there is a parking app you can use within the car that shows you how many parking spots are available in a parking house on street level. I said, huh? You have that? Wait, where you get the data from, huh? China, I'm just kidding. And also the new Banyan, right? And also Numi, you guys know Numi. Supposedly now, Numi is AI powered. I need to test that. This is the kind of things I normally don't have time to test. So I approached Nio, I asked them if I could borrow a car for, let's say, 3 to 6 months. And they were actually quite positive to this. And they introduced me to an affiliate program. So I thought, why not? I've been talking about this for years. Like, you know, okay, in a way, Tesla, they have affiliate program, Tesla referral program. So every time I recommend a Tesla and people who actually want to buy a Tesla, they buy a Tesla, I get a little kickback in form of some points or, you know, in the Tesla system. Unfortunately, Tesla now, I've been selling too many cars for them. So they limit only to 12 referrals per year. After 12 referrals, which usually happens around January, February every year, I don't have any incentive to try to promote Tesla anymore. Plus, that it seems like promoting Tesla nowadays because of Elon Musk can be troublesome. So that's why I'm going to become Nio Bjørn instead. And I mean, why not? Think about this. All the Volkswagen or the Audis or the Peugeot I sold, did I ever get a kickback for that? No. And I mean, you wouldn't buy that Audi in the first place anyway if you're not interested in the Audi, right? So that's the whole idea. You kind of need to be open for buying something like a Nio, but I believe that Nio is quite underrated brand. Like this EL8, you know, it is insanely comfortable. So the background here is also that, okay, I was gonna borrow an EL8, but then unfortunately, or fortunately, they sold the I was gonna borrow EL6 press car, but then they sold the EL6, and then I got the EL8. I was like, yes! Because we are also gonna go on Europe road trip. We're gonna try it now, venture out with the whole family this summer. At least try to stay in the northern Europe. And that's why we ended up with this. But okay, enough talk. Let me show you guys the EL8 I'm going to be borrowing for at least a month, maybe even longer. I don't know how long. I mean, I consider this top of the crop from Nio. Well, until we try the ET9, but man, just look at this. Okay, the seat there looks in a kind of weird position, but that's because we now have it in the zero gravity mode in the back here. Wow. And also, let's not forget, oh yeah, wait, no, wrong button. It's been a while since I used Nio. No, my bad. Press and hold. There. Okay, no, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. That's what he said. We also have a fridge. Huh? Why not? This is the executive. If you don't go for the executive, you will have not the fridge and you can walk in between. But that's fine. We're gonna have the kids in the back, wife in the front, and then we even have 2 more seats in the back here, but we'll probably just fold them. So, man, EL8. You know, it's crazy to think about that. The EL8 cost less than the Polestar 3 I'm borrowing. I'm borrowing a Polestar 3 performance nowadays. This EL8 is faster than the Polestar 3. Also, EL8 is bigger. It's like a bigger class. And it's also cheaper. Well, or not that expensive. I mean, it's not a poor man's car anymore. How was this again? Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh man, the luxury. This is proper luxury. Oh, I mean, when I thought about getting a daily driver, I didn't expect to get a freaking EL8. It's gonna be heaven, man, to drive this car, day-to-day drive. How about, you know, I have plenty of ideas what I can do. How about we try to drive to the kindergarten and to the shopping mall or whatever with full battery? How long can we drive until we need to charge? Well, actually, we don't need to charge. We can swap. That would also be one of the ideas I can do. So since I have this Nio for a long time, I can actually go deeper and test more that I normally can do if I just have a press car for 1 week. So I have plenty of ideas what I can do. We have to check out the app. We have to check out the new software also that they came out with. So I think the car squatted down for me because it seems like okay, I'm not sure. But yeah, so man, very nice. And then in the front here, of course, soft close. All the Nios, even the ET5. Where should we have it over there? The ET5. You can barely see it there, behind there. All the Nios, they have soft close, except for the old ES8. So, yeah, nice interior, great sound system, great space. Oh, I can't wait to spend lots of time with this car. Wait. Yeah, I forgot they also have Spotify. I'm gonna log into my own Spotify now. Yeah, I had to set up everything. We have, actually, the Nio software, I always talk about this even before I became an influencer or ambassador for Nio, is that they have so many settings here. You see the bar, how many bars they have. We have all the adjustment here. And you know, for example, Tesla, you have different profiles, right? Here you have different profiles here, but within each profile you have different memory position, and that makes more sense because you have the drive. I can press to save it. You can have alternate, rest, whatever, right? You save different profiles to, or different driving profile to that person, rather than having Bjørn video, Bjørn sleep. You know what I mean, right? And not only that, but the car is just loaded with features. And look here, the video recording here, the dash cam. Dude, like, it shows me, it shows me all the cameras that are recording right now. Why can't we have this in other cars, huh? Tesla doesn't show you this, and other cars, they don't even have built-in video recording, like some of the Chinese cars have it. This is just the tip of the iceberg I'm showing you guys. Nio software, man, it is quite good. I just hope that it doesn't slow down in the curves. Okay, we're gonna explore more about this whole Nio. Oh man, it is so comfy in the back. Oh, I need a chauffeur now, but okay. Let me go in here, massage. Oh, but you see, so this affiliate program, what does it involve? Well, if I can convince you to buy a car, I get kickback. And also, if I convince you to even test drive a car, I also get a kickback in actually money. So Nio, they better be confident that they want you to test drive the car, because then there is a chance that you might buy it, right? So yeah, and then you'll be like, oh, but Bjørn, I lost your credibility now. But no, because I signed a contract with Nio, and I specifically said that I will still be neutral and test the car and also expose any problems you might have with the car. But of course, not obvious flaws or not spread lies, but at least if there's something out there that needs to be highlighted, the good or the bad, I'm still gonna do it. It's more or less like I'm still promoting Tesla by reviewing Tesla. I'm still promoting Audi and Volkswagen and Toyota, but they just don't pay me, right? Well, okay, Tesla pay me a little bit, but then until the limit. And the same here is that all these brands I've been promoting over the years, they make money based on my videos. No doubt about it. They get free advertisement, and now Nio is rewarding me, just like Tesla, just like Enhance when you buy the sexy button, just like about the Route Planner when you buy the products or you buy premium, you know? So that's more or less like how it's gonna be. So yeah, man. But then unfortunately for now, if you get if you go for the test drive or even buy the car, you don't get any bonus. So I've been asking Nio now, like, you need to give the customer something. But so they're working on it, and at least if they see that many people are using my code, right? It's Bjørn, by the way. Bjørn is the code when you go to buy or test drive. You use the Bjørn code, and then then they can track the traffic, or they can track the way it works now. So hopefully, yeah, in the future you can maybe get lots of Nio points or something else. But actually, even Nio owners, you can already, regular owners, not just super users like me or influencers. Already, if you buy Nio, or you buy Nio, and you can then invite your friend, and then if your friend makes a test drive or even buys a car, you have been connected, and then you will get Nio points based on what your friends do, right? So yeah, you can go check it out. I didn't know about this whole Nio ecosystem. And then with Nio points, you can buy stuff, whether it's clothes or even buy some accessories for the car. So I mean, it's quite cool. Like, I haven't spent that much, because like I mentioned before, I only have 1 week to spend with each press car, and I just haven't had enough time to explore everything. And it seems like, as for Nio, there is actually a quite big ecosystem here, unlike, for example, a Citroën EC3, right? Or even a Hyundai. So yeah, so in the following months now, we will try this as a 6-month test period to see how it goes. I will try to make some Nio videos, but of course, if you guys are too bored, I'm gonna slow down a bit and kick back a bit. But as long as I find something interesting, I'm gonna try to post it. So I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.